Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can apply a vibrance effect to your photos and images in Pixlr. So let us get started. So guys, navigate to your photo or image project and select your image layer here to the right. Make sure that it's not locked. Unlock it by right clicking into it and by selecting unlocked here. So guys, what you want to do is make sure that the given image layer is selected, and after that navigate to adjustment here and select vibrance. And here you may simply find your preferred vibrance intensity. So if we move that slider to the right, the colors will be pretty intense, as you can see. And the opposite will happen if we move the slider to the left. It will basically turn into a grayscale or black and white photo. So guys, that's totally up to you. You may always use that comparison key here, for example. Once you're content with your result, click into apply, and there you go. That's how you add a vibrance or color intensifying effect to your photos and images in Pixlr. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.